welcome to Simply Made Fancy, and it's Blake's birthday, and I made him a Roblox cake for his birthday because that's the birthday theme. So check it out. Did I tell you guys that March is March Madness in our home? I think I have, because every year March comes along and this palm right here has to deal with 3 birthday parties at this month. My 2 sons and my husband. I already completed the first birthday successfully for my brand new 5-year-old, and now it's up to party number 2, and that's my soon-to-be 8-year-old son, and I'm making his cake. And yes, it's a late night pulling this off because I also want it to be a surprise. So here we go. This is the cake that I'm making. He is having a Roblox birthday party. Now, I have no clue what Roblox is, so I had to do a lot of research. But I know that he has built some kind of character that plays games on this computer online thing. And he does play with his friends. So he created a character, and his suggestion was, Mom, why don't you make my cake that looks like the face of the character that I created for the game? So that's what I'm doing. He showed it to me, and it has blue hair and sunglasses and a squinty, like lopsided eyes, and trying to be super cool, and also like headphones. And I think a lot of the characters wear headphones for some reason. So that's what I'm making. And he also requested for this to have in the mouth area, when you cut it, sprinkles and candy to come out. Now, if you've seen the video of the Mandalorian cake that I created for him, you can see that effect of the candy explosion. I've done it in other several cakes. My kids love it. And the challenge is to make it just come out of where the mouth area of this cake that would look like a Roblox character. So that's what I'm doing. I already have the cake. He requested chocolate cake with vanilla frosting, stacked it up. I also used the tops of the cake. Instead of like carving it, I used it to kind of use a little bit of the rounded head top, because they're not completely flat. They have a little bit of a round on top. I have the skin color fondant. I'm using this fondant that I haven't used before. This is new. I got it at Hobby Lobby, and it's Sunny Side Up Bakery. I used it last time on my son Dylan's cake. And by the way, you can check out that video on how I made this Hot Wheels cake that you can have a car racing through the cake. Pretty cool. All the kids loved it. All the little 4 and 5-year-olds of his friends loved it. So you can check out that video. But I used it and I kind of liked it. I usually have used a couple other different ones, and I bought some in bulk when I used to make cakes more often for clients. But I haven't been baking a lot. So went to Hobby Lobby. This cost me $15.99, not bad, and it's pretty good. I like it. I don't have any complaints. So now I'm going to transfer and put this fondant. Hopefully I measured it correctly. Ooh. Okay, much better. That was not graceful at all. See, blue hair and kind of like these wavy spiky things. So I'm just gonna put, I'm gonna put some blue hair on, and then I'll like create those other pieces, I guess. First, Let's roll. So this was very tricky. This is harder than I thought. So this is the hair, spiky. And then I pearlized. I used this pearl mist to kind of give it like a little shine. And now my son wants it to have like some kind of colored texture of purple in the hair. So I'm using this luster dust. And that's what I'm gonna do. These luster dusts are like super pricey, but they last me a long time actually. And I ordered mine from NY Cakes. I'll link it below, but you guys can look if you ever want it. So yeah, I'm just like doing little things here. So you can kind of see the little shading in the color. Almost done. All I have to put is the eyes, the mouth. Oh, I forgot. Sprinkles coming out of this mouth. I don't know if this is gonna be able to be pulled off because I forgot to do it before. Oh wait. Let's not go too crazy. It is what it is. Happy birthday, Blake! I'm so happy. My little boy is growing. And do you like your cake? This is it, the big reveal. Is it what you wanted? Is that your character from Roblox? I did it.
Thanks for watching and check out the other videos.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and share some comments if you are gonna try this cake. See you next time.